What's up guys? My name's Olivia, also known as Jetlag Liv, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe and join the crew. For those of you that have been around for a while, then you'll probably remember way back in February, I filmed a vlog of a very frustrating process for me, which was trying to find the perfect suitcase. So I was trying to find new luggage at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Ross, and I wasn't really finding anything that was like, oh my god, like you have to have this. Because I was using 4 criteria and none of these suitcases were up to par. I was trying to find a new suitcase based on these 4 things. Durability, it had to have a hard shell case. It had to have 4 wheels for easy maneuverability. It had to be cute, it had to be a really attractive bag to me. I just think that that's a bonus, but important. And then of course the price point was very important to me. And I did say that maybe if the price point was a little bit higher, it had to definitely make up for it and be super cute, super durable, and pretty much a combination of all 4 things. Didn't find anything. So since then, I have not given up my search for the perfect luggage. In fact, I was online searching recommended bags. I've been watching YouTube videos. I've been looking at different brands, and lo and behold, out of nowhere, I stumble upon this brand called MONOS. Immediately right off the bat, I'm drawn by their modern Instagram, and they're just like, their branding is so modern and chic and like sleek. And I'm like, okay, I'm in it. So what do you got here? So go ahead and look at some of their merchandise. Fall in love with this brand new suitcase they had just released. I reached out to MONOS and I was like, look, I'm looking for a suitcase. Yours might be it. Can I please review this bag? I want to see if it is as amazing as it looks, okay? And as amazing as the specs read. So they were so awesome, and they were kind enough to send me out, one sec, a brand new suitcase. I went ahead and I put in an order for the MONOS Carry-On Plus, okay? So this is a little bit bigger than your regular carry-on size. And you guys, the style of suitcase that is in this box, well, I hope it's in this box. I haven't opened the box yet. So I'm going to do an unboxing. We're gonna reveal it together. You're gonna get my first impressions of if this suitcase really is Jetlag Liv approved, okay? Based off the research that I was doing, this bag seems to fit all of the categories, all 4 criteria that I was searching for. So let me stop rambling. We're gonna move over here so I have a flat surface, and let's do an unboxing and review. And I can tell you guys some of the specs because they're so cool. Okay, let's get into it. Here she is. This is going to be a carry-on plus. So imagine a carry-on size, but like your hotter older sister. She's a little bit, you know, a little bit taller, a little bit wiser. So imagine a carry-on with a little bit more room, but it will still be able to fit in the overhead compartments on your major airlines. Let's open this up. You guys, this is the Terrazzo limited edition suitcase. If this pattern is half of what I think it's going to be, this will be the prettiest suitcase you've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Also, this box is so dirty, I'm going to wash my bed after, so don't worry. Okay, you guys, I can't, oh my gosh, I'm like shaking. Okay, I'm so excited. You guys know, also, let me remind you, I don't have a suitcase. So this is a big deal for me. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, it comes in a cloth bag. Okay, reusability. Oh my gosh, I love this. Is there anything else? Okay, perfect. So this is their logo. You can see right here. It's the M with the 3 dots. So like simplistic and so chic. Okay. I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it. I can't even look. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is the MONOS Carry-On Plus in the Terrazzo color scheme. Oh my God, she's so pretty. Look. Oh my gosh. Right off the bat, you guys cannot tell me that this is not the coolest thing. I mean, check that out. You can see it's kind of like an off-white grayish base, and then it's got just geometric shapes and speckles that mimic terrazzo tiling, which you'll see a lot. I think it's mainly from Italy. I mean, come on, I'm obsessed with Italy. Perfect. Lime green, bluish gray, brown, red specks, and then dark, looks dark green. Oh my God, so pretty. You can see it's got 4 wheels. These are apparently silent, so when they're in use, like, you can't even hear them, and they're 360 as well. Durability. She's a hard shell case right here, and actually I read that it was a aerospace-grade German polycarbonate that this is made of. So I'm like, okay, all quarantine I've been binge watching Ancient Aliens. This is perfect for me. I am obsessed with this. It's got a TSA-approved lock, a side handle for holding it like this. And this is a good size, guys. This isn't totally like, this is doable. This is really doable. Okay, let me bring you in. We're gonna open this up. I cannot wait. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look inside. Oh, it zips really easily. That's good. You guys, I'm obsessed with the outside, so the inside is just probably going to get better. Oh my God. Whoa. Okay, so right off the bat, I see that it's got their, I think these are patented, MONOS compression straps. So once you're done packing, you can compress these and pull them tight, and they'll press your clothes really, really well. And then we've got this. I just want to play around inside of it. Oh my gosh, so nice. Is this a zipper? Another one? Oh, okay, okay. So all of your clothes can get nice and packed in here. And I don't think it goes any further since there's like a reverse zipper. Yeah, okay, so this is just like a lining. The other side of that is the shell, the actual shell. So you would pack all your clothes in here, close this up, and then you would open this for like shoes and what do we have here? Oh my gosh. It says, "Dear friend, this suitcase is more than just an empty vessel for belongings. It's an expression of our philosophy on traveling and living well. Simply, thoughtfully, mindfully, beautifully. So journey on. We can't wait to experience the world with you." Monos, that's so cute. Oh, wow. So it's designed in Canada, made for the world. In here should be a vegan leather luggage tag. Look at that. That's so stunning. Oh, I love that. That is awesome. And what is this? Okay, so this is a cleaner to get wet, and then you can scrub off any scuff marks, any scratches. This is kind of like a magic eraser, but MONOS' brand. But wait, there's more. They also give you three. They give you 3 laundry bags that you can cinch closed and keep your stuff separate. So I actually might use one of these for a pair of shoes. So that's awesome. I love this bag. I love this bag. I love this bag. This is me in a suitcase form, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching this review / unboxing of the limited edition MONOS Terrazzo Carry-On Plus. I think it said that I could get about 3 to 7 days worth of clothes for a trip. Come on, I'm the purse packing queen. I think I could push that. I could do well over 2 weeks. Easy. And if you guys want to see that video, make sure you comment down below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kind of a big deal. This is the first YouTube review of this Terrazzo style. So like I said, it's limited edition, so shop yours now. You don't want to miss out on this. This bag is so cute. They have it in a ton of different sizes. If you want to go check-in, they have, I think, 2 different size check-ins. They have a smaller carry-on, they have a more elaborate carry-on. This one is just perfect for me. Any information you guys need, I'll list down below, of course. But yeah, comment if you want to see me do a mock pack, or maybe I'll be able to travel soon and it'll be a real pack. A girl can hope. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. That really supports me and my channel here. Again, thank you MONOS so much for kind of sponsoring today's video and at least donating this amazing suitcase so that I can share it with all of you guys. Any questions, sound off below. Of course, you can reach me at Instagram. Feel free to reach out that way at JetLagLive. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can always turn on the notification bells too, so you'll never miss a video from me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.